How to turn off pages you manage notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pages you manage notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click notifications, and here just go down until you find pages you manage. Click on it and then select any page you want, and here you will find allow notifications. Just turn it off. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.